At Denny's Roofing LLC, we take pride in our work and are committed to providing high-quality roofs for homes and businesses. We're a local roofing company in Cottonwood Point, Colorado, and we specialize in building secure, great-looking roofs that will last for years to come. Our experienced team can handle any kind of roofing job, from a simple repair to a complete replacement. We offer comprehensive, effective roof repair services that leave our customers with a feeling of satisfaction. We are committed to excellence in every aspect of our work, and strive to exceed your expectations at every turn. We'll work with you to make sure you get a roof that fits your needs, whatever they may be. We offer free inspections of all kinds, including buyer and seller inspections, and free estimates on any job, large or small. We can give your home or business a lift, making it feel safer and more comfortable for you. We offer expert roofing services with expert insurance claim assistance, so you can rest easy knowing that we'll get your roof done right the first time. Whether you need a new roof or just want to replace an old one, we can help. Call us at 970-545-0099. You can also check our website by visiting www.dennysroofing.llc.com/cottonwood-point-roofing-company. Let Denny's Roofing LLC make your property safe and secure when it comes to your roof.